Ugh. Time to start very productive. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Blake, and well, to get my workout on. Sorry, my muscles are so powerful to hit the screen. It's just a quick update. Got my new video out. It's asking why you guys are so awesome, and still waiting for an answer. So tell me it now, or I will